Fix update failed. First, what I suggest to do here is to simply restart your computer and look if the problem persists. Another thing that you can do is you just need to open up CMD as admin, and then you need to put a few commands. So first one is ipconfig /flush DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset. After that, go to network settings or settings. Then you need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your network. Then after reset, right view, network connections. Then find your internet connection, right click on it, go to properties, then find internet protocol version 4, then select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4 apply the changes and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, press Windows and I key or simply write run. Then here you need to write %local appdata% and hit enter. On this new window, you need to look for Discord folder. Then here you need to, for you should be update, just rename it to update space repair. Then you need to go to appdata, go to roaming, go to Discord, and then on Discord, look for cache folder here. And then you just need to delete everything from the cache folder. And also make sure Discord is completely closed, because as you can see here, you cannot delete some files if it's not closed. And that's pretty much it.